Ethan had always dreamt of owning his own bakery, but the responsibilities of his day job as an accountant kept him from pursuing it. One day, after stumbling upon a book about the law of attraction, he decided to give it a try. Every morning, Ethan woke up early, brewed a cup of coffee, and spent a few minutes in quiet visualization. He imagined himself in a cozy bakery, the smell of freshly baked bread and pastries filling the air. He pictured happy customers enjoying his creations and himself feeling fulfilled and content. He created a vision board filled with images of beautiful bakeries, delicious pastries, and smiling customers. Ethan also started practicing gratitude. Each night, he wrote down things he was thankful for, no matter how small, and he repeated affirmations like, "I am a successful bakery owner, and opportunities flow to me effortlessly." A month later, Ethan was walking through his neighborhood when he noticed a for lease sign in the window of a small shop. It was perfect for a bakery. Despite his initial hesitation, he decided to inquire about it. To his surprise, the rent was affordable and the landlord was looking for a tenant who had a strong vision and passion. Feeling a newfound confidence, Ethan took the leap. He used his savings and took a small loan to secure the place. As he started setting up the bakery, everything seemed to fall into place. Friends and family offered to help with renovations, and local suppliers provided him with great deals on ingredients and equipment. On opening day, Ethan's bakery was packed. The community had been eagerly awaiting a new bakery, and word had spread quickly. His pastries were a hit, and customers praised his creativity and the warm atmosphere of the shop. Within months, Ethan's bakery became a beloved spot in the neighborhood. He even received offers to expand his business. Reflecting on his journey, Ethan realized how the law of attraction had played a crucial role. By focusing on his dream, visualizing his success, and staying positive, he had turned his vision into reality. Ethan's story became an inspiration to many, showing that with belief, gratitude, and a clear vision, dreams could indeed come true.